This pose stretches your hamstrings and strengthens your legs, back, shoulders, glutes, and core. It also improves your balance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then shift your weight to your left leg. Slowly fold your upper body forward as you extend your right leg backward. Reach your arms out in front of you with your palms facing each other. Keep your core engaged. Keep your arms, torso, and lifted leg parallel with the floor. Keep your head neutral. Draw your shoulders away from your ears. Keep both hips squared.